Welcome to UpEnglish. In today's video, we'll uncover the heartbreaking story of Empress Sisi of Austria, one of Europe's most beautiful yet tragic queens. Along the way, you'll learn useful vocabulary to talk about emotions, relationships, and royal life. This is a perfect way to improve your English listening and speaking skills while enjoying a powerful true story. Let's get started. Listen carefully. Empress Sisi, the beautiful queen who couldn't escape her fate. In the 19th century, Austria welcomed a young empress named Elizabeth of Bavaria, better known as Sisi. She was only 16 when she married Emperor Franz Joseph III of Austria. People admired her beauty, grace, and charm. But behind the royal glamour, Sisi's life was filled with loneliness and heartbreak. Sisi wasn't supposed to be empress. The emperor was engaged to her older sister, Helene. But when Franz Joseph met Sisi, he fell in love instantly and broke off his engagement. This sudden change caused tension, especially with Franz Joseph's strict mother, Archduchess Sophie. After the wedding, Sisi discovered that life in the Austrian court was far from romantic. She struggled with the rigid rules of palace life. Her mother-in-law, Sophie, controlled many aspects of her life, including the upbringing of Sisi's children. Sophie took them away from her, leaving Sisi powerless as a mother. Feeling trapped, Sisi began traveling across Europe to escape her troubles. But no matter how far she went, the shadow of the royal court followed her. Her husband loved her, but was too busy ruling the empire to notice her pain. Sisi became obsessed with maintaining her beauty. She followed extreme diets and exercised for hours daily. Her long, beautiful hair, which reached her ankles, took hours to care for. While admired for her beauty, Sisi felt imprisoned by the very image people loved. Meanwhile, Austria faced political challenges. Nationalist movements threatened the empire, but Sisi found comfort in Hungary, where she was respected. She played a key role in uniting Austria and Hungary, helping create the Austro-Hungarian Empire. Despite this, her personal life continued to fall apart. The biggest tragedy came when Sisi's only son, Crown Prince Rudolf, died in the Mayerling incident, a double suicide with his lover. This devastated Sisi. She blamed herself and never recovered. From then on, she wore only black and avoided public appearances. After Rudolf's death, Sisi withdrew from public life entirely. She refused to attend royal events and avoided photographers wishing to disappear. She traveled constantly, searching for peace, but never escaping her sadness. In 1898, while visiting Geneva, Switzerland, Sisi met her tragic end. While walking by the lake, an Italian anarchist, Luigi Lucchini, stabbed her with a sharp file. Because of her tight corset and long black dress, Sisi didn't realize she had been stabbed until minutes later. She collapsed and died shortly after. Sisi's death shocked Europe. She was remembered as the most beautiful empress, but also the saddest. Despite her wealth and status, she never found true happiness. Her life became the subject of countless books and films, symbolizing the desire for freedom and the struggles of living under public expectations. Interesting vocabulary and expressions. Uncover. Meaning, to discover or reveal something hidden. Example. In today's video, we'll uncover the heartbreaking story of Empress Sisi. Heartbreaking. Meaning, causing great sadness or emotional pain. Example, the story of Empress Sisi is truly heartbreaking. Glamour, meaning attractive beauty or charm, often in an artificial or superficial way. Example, behind the royal glamour, Sisi's life was filled with loneliness and heartbreak. Tension, meaning mental or emotional strain, or a situation in which people or groups are hostile or have a lot of conflict. Example, this sudden change caused tension, especially with Franz Joseph's strict mother. Rigid, meaning stiff, inflexible, or strict in terms of rules or structure. Example: Sisi struggled with the rigid rules of palace life. Upbringing, meaning the way in which a child is raised and educated. Example: Sophie controlled many aspects of Sisi's life, including the upbringing of Sisi's children. Imprisoned, meaning to be trapped or confined, often used metaphorically. Example: Sisi felt imprisoned by the very image people loved. Nationalist, meaning a person who strongly supports their country and its independence. Example: Nationalist movements threatened the empire. Devastated, meaning extremely shocked and saddened by an event. Example: This devastated Sisi. She blamed herself and never recovered. Withdrew, meaning to pull back or retreat from a situation. Example: After Rudolph's death, Sisi withdrew from public life entirely. Appearances, meaning the way someone or something looks or is perceived by others. Example: She refused to attend royal events and avoided photographers, wishing to disappear from public appearances. Tragic, meaning involving great sadness, often due to an unfortunate event. Example: Sisi met her tragic end while walking by the lake. Anarchist, meaning a person who believes in or tries to bring about the destruction of government or other authority. Example: An Italian anarchist, Luigi Lucchini, stabbed her with a sharp file. Corset, meaning a piece of clothing worn to shape the body, especially around the waist. Example: Because of her tight corset and long black dress, Sisi didn't realize she had been stabbed until minutes later. Collapsed, meaning to fall down suddenly, often due to injury or illness. Example: She collapsed and died shortly after. Listen to the story carefully one more time. Empress Sisi, the beautiful queen who couldn't escape her fate. In the 19th century, Austria welcomed a young empress named Elizabeth of Bavaria, better known as Sisi. She was only 16 when she married Emperor Franz Joseph III of Austria. People admired her beauty, grace, and charm. But behind the royal glamour, Sisi's life was filled with loneliness and heartbreak. Sisi wasn't supposed to be empress. The emperor was engaged to her older sister, Helene. But when Franz Joseph met Sisi, he fell in love instantly and broke off his engagement. This sudden change caused tension, especially with Franz Joseph's strict mother, Archduchess Sophie. After the wedding, Sisi discovered that life in the Austrian court was far from romantic. She struggled with the rigid rules of palace life. Her mother-in-law, Sophie, controlled many aspects of her life, including the upbringing of Sisi's children. Sophie took them away from her, leaving Sisi powerless as a mother. Feeling trapped, Sisi began traveling across Europe to escape her troubles. But no matter how far she went, the shadow of the royal court followed her. Her husband loved her, but was too busy ruling the empire to notice her pain. Sisi became obsessed with maintaining her beauty. She followed extreme diets and exercised for hours daily. Her long, beautiful hair, which reached her ankles, took hours to care for. While admired for her beauty, Sisi felt imprisoned by the very image people loved. Meanwhile, Austria faced political challenges. Nationalist movements threatened the empire, but Sisi found comfort in Hungary, where she was respected. She played a key role in uniting Austria and Hungary, helping create the Austro-Hungarian Empire. Despite this, her personal life continued to fall apart. The biggest tragedy came when Sisi's only son, Crown Prince Rudolph, died in the Mayerling incident, a double suicide with his lover. This devastated Sisi. She blamed herself and never recovered. From then on, she wore only black and avoided public appearances. After Rudolph's death, Sisi withdrew from public life entirely. She refused to attend royal events and avoided photographers wishing to disappear. She traveled constantly, searching for peace, but never escaping her sadness. In 1898, while visiting Geneva, Switzerland, Sisi met her tragic end. While walking by the lake, an Italian anarchist, Luigi Lucchini, stabbed her with a sharp file. Because of her tight corset and long black dress, Sisi didn't realize she had been stabbed until minutes later. She collapsed and died shortly after. Sisi's death shocked Europe. She was remembered as the most beautiful empress, but also the saddest. Despite her wealth and status, she never found true happiness. Her life became the subject of countless books and films, symbolizing the desire for freedom and the struggles of living under public expectations. Thank you for watching. We hope this story of Empress Sisi helped improve your English while giving you a fascinating look into European royal history. Don't forget to practice the new words and phrases you learned today. If you enjoyed this story, like, share, and subscribe to UpEnglish for more lessons and exciting historical stories. Until next time, keep learning and stay curious.